Hi guys, what's up? This is my first video, but so I said hi here on video because it's really funny because all jammers want to be famous and they're like, oh my god, get out of the way, I want to be famous. So let's see if they follow me around. Oh, yeah, they're following me. I knew it. See, I just knew it would happen. I kind of want to go somewhere else and kind of just crush their hopes and dreams. Am I right? No, I'm probably not right. Oh my god, I'm so mean. Oh, and they want to be my buddy. Oh, this is hard. So I'm sorry, but I said no to the buddy request. I mean, I know it sounds mean, but they only wanted to be my buddy because I was doing the video. So I mean, that's not very nice. So yeah, I mean, like, who wants to be friends for that? It's so rude. Ugh. No, I'm kidding, guys, but still, that kind of, it does annoy me. I seriously don't want, like, I don't want someone to be my friend because I'm famous. I want them to be my friend because I'm my friend. And that's basically what happened here. That's why I have 249 buddies. I kind of want 350 buddies, so maybe I should have accepted that, but, you know, whatever. Anyway, so, sorry, I'm drinking water. But, this is my first video, and I wanted to say, if you're not ready, I think you should be part of the Animal Jam community. It's really nice, fun, safe for all ages. You'll always find a friend for you, and there's always gonna be someone that is right for you, and I promise you that, because otherwise I wouldn't have this many friends, okay? And like, you might know someone who plays Animal Jam, and if you don't, that's fine. I've been a fan of this game since I was in like preschool, I want to say, and yeah. Also, I would really appreciate it if you guys sub to me. I don't know how many times I'm going to say this in this video. I don't know how many times it's going to annoy you. But I really want this to be famous so I can spread the word about Animal Jam. Animal Jam is my favorite game. And I never want it to lose people because it is a wonderful game. And I know that it is one craze where everyone was on Animal Jam. Yeah, my school was in that sort of craze. Me and my friend actually brought it to the school, but, yeah, and it was really nice because there were so many people, and they hit like 10 million players, and that is a lot, like a lot. But anyways, I wanted to just like, more water. Anyways, so I just wanted to, like, spread the word. Let it be a craze again. That was so much fun. Everyone played Animal Jam. You guys should become a member because there are so many perks to being a member. If you can't, that's totally fine. I just got this thing, like the fences, a door, and more fences, because it's Valentine's Day, but it's a non-member item. It's super awesome. This is also a super awesome item, but it is sadly for members. It is your own store. So, yeah, when I say awesome, I mean like AWESOME. Awesome. Anyways, I want to do some story time. And now, I did forget this person's username, but if I did know it, I probably wouldn't say it because I don't want this person receiving hate. No one deserves hate, no matter what kind of thing they did. Hate is a thing on a lot of platforms. Luckily, Animal Jam's kind of found its own ways to prevent it. Like, I mean, it still happens, sadly, because there are just people in the world that hate. But, Animal Jam's trying its best to prevent it, but I have a story for you, so yeah. You can hate them in your head, but I'm not telling you their user. Sorry. Alright, so, story. It happened today, and it's a short story, so don't worry. I was looking at pets because they're so darn cute, and, I saw someone at my den, and I always go to answer the door at my den because I feel like if I don't, I'm a rude person. Don't judge me, please, and thank you. Anyways, so here's what happened. They go, how much for your rare pet mouse? Because they obviously liked it, because a lot of people want those, and I'm one of the lucky people who have it. And so I say, I'm sorry, it's not for sale. I love you, mouse. But, they go, how much for the rare mouse? Again, and I say, no, I'm sorry, it's not for sale. And they go, don't make my day worse. And I'm like, I'm sorry, but it's not for sale. Like, obviously, I feel bad that they're having a bad day, but that doesn't mean I have to give them my rare mouse that I worked hard for. And so then they say, no, like in all caps. They start going in all caps, and I get worried, and they go, "You're rude, I'm going to report you." And I'm like, "What, report me because I didn't trade with you? That's not how the game works, boo-boo." And so, I try and lock them out as fast as I can because I don't want to get reported. Like, that is kind of my nightmare because I don't want to lose all the stuff I have. And, like, guys, don't ever do that to someone. Don't try and, like, scam them or force them into giving you an item because that just, I don't know, they can report you for it, remember? And that, I don't know, that's just really not a good idea. And, hearing about it from me, you might not, like, you'd be like, "Oh, no, that's not good." But believe it or not, people actually do that. And, that's not a good idea. Just don't do it. So many things could go wrong. They could, report you. They could do the same thing to you. They might start doing it to other people. That's probably, like, the worst thing that could happen. And so, yeah, just don't do it. And I mean, I don't want to send out hate to this person. I just want to send out, "Hey, don't do that. That's not nice. I didn't like that at all." I felt really scared for my account and for all that stuff. And I don't want that happening to anyone else. Like, yeah, it happened to me, but I don't want it happening to someone else. I mean, that would just be a terrible thing to wish on someone. Anyways, I think that's all I have for today. I don't really have an outro, so I guess I'm just going to say bye. And please sub to, oh shoot, I forgot. Okay, let's try that again. Peace out, and say bye, and sub, because we are awesome, and I plan on doing a live soon after this thing gets verified. Anyways, bye, and also remember, this is a kid-friendly channel, and kid-friendly comments. Alright, bye!